this video, I'm going to be braiding my hair using this extension, and I'm going to be doing the rubber band method. The rubber band method is great for all beginners. It's just going to make braiding your hair a lot more easier. So first thing I'm going to be doing is cut my extension into half, and then I'll go on and begin to pick it just like so. And once I'm done picking it, I'll go on and brush it until it's nice and smooth. And next thing you want to do is go on and moisturize those extensions. Remember, those extensions are going into your hair, so you want to keep them really moisturized. So before putting your hair into a long-term protective style, you want to make sure that you do a protein treatment. This will help your hair to stay strong and healthy. To section my hair, I'm also going to be applying the Eco Styler gel. You can use any gel of your choice. And as I go along, I'm going to be using the rubber band method to hold it nice and strong. And be careful not to make it too tight, because you don't want that to break your edges. And now I'm just going to keep my baby hair in place. So as you can see in this video, my whole hair is all in ponytail. I am ready to get them braided. But before then, I'm going to moisturize my hair because it feels so dried. I'm just going to moisturize them in section. You want to make sure that you keep your hair really moisturized, because this is a long-term protective style. So you want to give your hair all the moisture that it can get. Now it is time to get this hair braided. Now I'm working with 3 sections of hair. So my hair is the third. So as soon as I run out of hair, I'm going to add the extension and braid all the way down. So because my hair is not as long as the extension, I'm definitely going to be needing to borrow some hair from the extension, and then I'll braid all the way down. And I'm just going to continue like this until the whole hair is done. So here's the trick that I learned as I go along. I braided my hair. I just found out that this trick works well for me. You can give it a try. So this method helped me to be able to grab my hair more easily as I go along. And then I have no hair sticking out of the extension. So once I'm done, it is time to start trimming my hair. I will take my time and give my hair a good trim. Once I'm done trimming my hair, I'm gonna dip my hair into a bowl of hot water. So you want to be really careful when doing this. Make sure there are no kids running around the house. So, and yes, this is the final result. I think I did a great job. What do you guys think? Comment down below. So next, I'm going to be accessorizing my hair with these golden accessories, and then that's all about this video. And here I'm just feeling myself. I was so excited and I was loving the end result. So that is all about this video, guys. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what you guys think about this hair. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.